Hi! Welcome to HT Easy and Simple Tutorial. Ngayon ay tuturo ko sa inyo paano gamitin ang VLOOKUP. Bago tayo magsimula, ay download ang ating VLOOKUP exercise na nasa description box at sabayan niyo ako sa ating tutorial. Okay, let's start. Sa ating exercise, alamin natin ang mga sumusunod. What is the area code? How much is the tax percentage? And how much is the gross sales? The first thing to do is identify the cells you would like to fill with new data. Under column D, meron tayong hinahanap na area. Under column E, meron tayong hinahanap na tax. Under column F, meron tayong hinahanap na gross sales. Ngayon naman, sa ating table 2, alamin ang equivalent value na hinahanap natin from table 1. We have the area at tax. Kung napapansin nyo sa table 2, meron tayong tatlong columns. Ito ay lagyan natin ng palatandaan. 1 for code, 2 for the area, and 3 for the tax. Using code in table 1 and code in table 2 as our unique identifier, let's proceed with VLOOKUP. Insert function, or using shortcut keys, Shift F3, type VLOOKUP, click Go, select VLOOKUP, and click OK. Now, in VLOOKUP, we have 4 arguments. First argument is VLOOKUP value. This is our unique identifier. It has data associated with it, which you want the Excel to find and return for you. In this case, ito ay ang data under column code. So start with cell A6. Second argument is table array. In this field, enter the range of cells you'd like to search and the sheet where these cells are located. Therefore, ito yung table 2. So from cell I6, drag until cell J8. Then press A4 on your keyboard to use an absolute reference. Third argument is column index number. Ito ay ang column number kung saan matatagpuan ang hinahanap nating data. Ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap nating data ay matatagpuan sa table 2 at ang column index number natin ay 2. The fourth and last argument is range lookup or the logical value. Ang pagpipilian natin ay 1 at 0 lamang. 1 is for approximate value and 0 is for the exact match. Since ang hinahanap natin ay ang exact value, therefore, our range lookup is 0. Then click OK. Perfect! We are done with area. Next nating hahanapin ay tax percentage. To do this, insert function or Shift F3 and click VLOOKUP and click OK. First argument, VLOOKUP value, which is cell A6. Second argument, table array, which is from cell I6, drag down to cell K8. Huwag kaligtaan, press F4 para sa absolute reference. Third argument, column index number, which is 3. Dahil nasa pangatlong column ang nahanap nating data. And fourth argument, range lookup, which is always 0. And then click OK. Perfect. We are done with text. Ang panghuling hinahanap natin ay gross sales. Dito naman, ang gagamitin natin unique identifier ay store ID. Dahil ito ay may eksaktong tugma na makikita natin sa table 3. To do this, insert function or shift F3 and click VLOOKUP and click OK. First argument, VLOOKUP value. Click cell B6. Second argument, table array. Click row cells tab. Click cell A4 and drag down until B23. Don't forget to press A4 on your keyboard. Third argument, column index number is 2. Dahil sa table 3, ang gross sales ay nasa pangalawang column. The fourth and last argument, range lookup, which is always 0. Then click OK. Bravo! Congratulations! You completed the exercise. Now, reset the exercise and do by your own. Thank you, and stay tuned for more tutorials.